Hello, my name is Kelly of Man's International. In this episode, I'll introduce an edtech startup, LittleBridge, dedicated to helping children aged 6 to 12 learn English in a fun, productive way and use it to socialize safely with children from around the world. It is headquartered in London, England. How does LittleBridge keep children safe online? First, they designed a two-tier review mechanism, where all messages are reviewed twice before appearing on the platform. Using artificial intelligence technology, the platform automatically checks every message the children send and fills out those that don't meet the criteria. Then messages that passed automatic review are sent to their 24/7 human review team, which double-checks each message before it appears on the site. Second, for added security, LittleBridge equips each parent of a child who uses its community with a linked account, called the Parent Dashboard. The dashboard allows parents to create accounts for their children, access information about their children's activities on the platform, and also purchase subscriptions for learning content. Third, each child in LittleBridge can customize their profile picture in the form of a virtual avatar for added security. How does the content created by LittleBridge appeal to children? LittleBridge creates all the content on the platform itself and owns the IP. Research they have conducted in collaboration with the University College of London in the UK showed that learning content combined with community can improve the outcomes. LittleBridge's approach is to use deep processing to help children learn English skills effectively. After learning certain content, children can have real-time conversations in the community with children from all over the world. The new language skills are transferred from superficial processing to deep processing, which improves the efficiency of learning English. LittleBridge's IP is also unique because it actually makes up a story. LittleBridge is not just the name of the company, it is also the name of the virtual town where these characters live. As the learning content progresses, a fun story unfolds where children can learn all about these characters and their lives. This also increases the children's motivation to learn new content constantly to understand what will happen next. Children can get involved and enrich the storyline together. In order to encourage children to actively participate, LittleBridge has also created a game currency called Lingos. If children complete a task, they can get rewards and use the earned Lingos to optimize their database. Currently, LittleBridge offers more than 700 different types of activities and about 300 hours of study. These activities covered all the key skills, including reading, writing, speaking, and listening. How does LittleBridge's community work? As a competitive advantage that sets LittleBridge apart from its competitors, LittleBridge has created a window to the world for children. Children choose and design their own fun virtual avatars and safely make friends with children from all over the world. Real-time communication in English not only consolidates their English knowledge, but also help them understand different races and cultures, increases mutual respect and trust, and live together more harmoniously. Now let me introduce Sarah White, co-founder and co-CEO of LittleBridge. She struggled with the traditional education system, but she has turned the tide against the odds by continuing to learn by her own and always maintaining a growth mindset. What impressed me most was the heartfelt love that Sarah showed for LittleBridge, being sincere and friendly to people and taking things very seriously with attention to detail. Sarah specially recorded a video. Let us listen to her own heartfelt words.
Hi, my name is Sarah White. I'm co-founder and co-CEO of LittleBridge, where we make social media safe and fun for kids all around the world. My story of becoming an entrepreneur starts out like some of the greats. I dropped out of school. Well, that's how Bill Gates got started, right? Not Not exactly. You see, Bill Gates dropped out of Harvard, whereas I dropped out of high school when I was 16. I was a smart kid. I just had a really big problem with being told what to do, especially when I didn't see a reason to do it. Despite leaving formal education many years before my peers, I've never stopped learning, and I've always maintained a growth mindset. I went straight from school into full-time work and have since done every job you can imagine, all the while learning as much as I could. But I always wanted to do something bigger. I just didn't know where to start. It all changed for me when several years ago I was fortunate enough to meet Emma Rogers, a seasoned entrepreneur who became my mentor. And in 2015, we founded Littlebridge. I hope my unusual journey to becoming an entrepreneur can inspire people who haven't had the easiest transition to adulthood. My journey is also what makes me so passionate about edtech. As someone who struggled with formal education, technology opens up a world of opportunities to learn and develop outside of traditional schooling.
Sarah summed up the secret to Littlebridge's success: perseverance and a great idea, plus a little luck. Congratulations to Littlebridge on their successful foray to Silicon Valley. They will participate in the events organized by the Draper University this summer. Finally, I would like to give the motto of Team Draper, the founder of Draper University, to every entrepreneur with a dream and forging ahead. The more times you try something new, the better your chances of success.